Hello everybody. In this section, we are going to talk about when to use SUMX and SUM. Let's get started. Here I show sales data. The first column is the product name, candy, bike, pen, notebook. And the second column is the unit price for each product. $2, $200, $5, $1. And also, we purchased the quantity for each product, 30 candies, 2 bikes, 12 pens, and 5 notebooks. So the question is that we want to calculate the total cost of the purchase. The first function we think about is the sum. So sum, the input parameter will be a column name and a column name. So in order to calculate the total cost, we have to use this way. So the column name is unit price, we do a sum. And then quantity, we do a sum. Then we multiply them together, we will get 208 multiplied 49. This is the total cost. Actually, this is wrong. It's not correct. We could not calculate it like this way. The right calculation should be row by row and then do a summation, which means we need to multiply 2 by 30 plus 200 by 2 plus 5 by 12 plus 1 multiply 5. So it's a row by row, it's kind of iteration. In this case, we need to use X, SUMX. The X means row by row calculation and then do a summation. Here is the right formula. Total cost equal to sum X. X means iteration, line by line. So the first input parameter is table, sales data, and then the expression will be unit price for each row multiply quantity for each row, and then after all the rows calculated, and then we do a summation. This is the meaning of SUMX. Let's switch to Power BI to show you how to use it. Alright, I just launched my Power BI. First of all, let's look at the data. Click Table View. Here's the data source, product name, and unit price and quantity. Here we can change the table name to be, rename it to sales data, Okay, we change the table name. Next, let's click Report View. We are going to say add a table and move it to the middle, make it larger. So for this table visual, we will show product name, we show the unit price, and we will show the quantities. Make it a little larger, and here is the zoom in. Okay, so you can see the header is sum. Actually, we just want to show the unit price and the quantity. We don't want to show the sum. So let's remove the sum. What we need to do is select the visual and then scroll up to here, and sum a unit price. We don't want to do a summary, and quantity we don't want to do summary. Alright, so this is the original data set we just display. Now we need to calculate the total cost to purchase this product. And how to do it? So as usual, we need to create a measure. Click this table name, and you either can click new measure or click the three dots, new measure, same thing. Okay, click new measure, and then the measure name will be total cost equals to, if you want to have a good format, what you can do is hold shift, click enter, it will have the second line, add your comment, and then shift underline. Here's our formulas. So SUMX, the SUMX function need two parameters. The first one is a table name, second one is an expression. So the table name will be sales data table, comma. Next, we want the system to calculate row by row, iteration by iteration. So row by row, what we want the system to calculate is, we want the system to calculate unit price, the sales data unit price, multiply sales table quantity, and then close it. So let's click commit. Now we create this measure, total cost. There's a calculator icon in front of it. It represents that this one is a measure. Now you simply drag this one to here. You can see that this calculation is correct. 5 multiply 12 is 60, and 1 multiply 5 is 5, and 60 and 400, and then put them together, it's a $525 in total. Maybe we don't have the currency formatting, so what we need to do is click this measure and then choose the currency, and then it will show the right format, which is what we want. This is similar for average x, all of the x function, which means we need to do the line by line, row by row, and then do a aggregation, or either sum or average. Hope that this can help you to understand how to use SUMX and how to use the sum. Thank you so much.